We are doing a vlog today. Right now is 3:30 and we are going to the beach. And I'm gonna show you my beach outfit right now. It's a bit cloudy, I'd have to say, and I'm a bit scared for the rain, but I think it's going to be okay. I think it's just gonna be a cloudy day, but it's not gonna be raining anytime soon. There is something called el polvo de Sahara going around, so most of these days have been really cloudy and not so much sun out, so I don't think we're going to get a tan. Either way, I'm wearing a shirt just because I like it, and my dad bought this for me and I was like, I need to wear it. I love this color. So let me show you my outfit. I'm going to get ready, make my bags. I already have my beach bags ready because I go randomly, and so I always have a beach bag at hand. I always have a beach bag at hand for when I just feel like going to the beach. Today, I woke up with my stomach upside down and I couldn't even move because I got stomach issues. Can't eat a lot of food that is high on grease or maybe spices. That doesn't mean I don't eat bland food. I'm Puerto Rican, so you bet I'm eating that even though it's going to be bad for me the next day because it's just so tasty. Anyway, let's go.
I think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram?
In the car, something that I was looking for is a mic, because I know I have a mic, but last time I used it was in my car and I don't know where it is. Probably lost in a bag. Now I'm going to go to the beach. This car is convertible, but I will not be putting it on convertible mode because it is so hot outside. The only right time to go without the top off is during the morning or during sunset time, which is when it's not that hot and the sun is pretty and the weather is nice. But throughout the rest of the day it's so hot that you can't even breathe and all you get is hot air. So we're going with the AC on, and now I'm just going to drive. I'm going to listen to music so you guys can't be here because copyright, Let's go.
But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say. My social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause I think I really like how you're always there.
So I'm going to take my stuff with me and I'm going to find a spot. It was raining, although it's all wet and the sand is all wet. It's a cloudy day, but today is full. I came here alone. I don't know if I'm gonna find someone that I know. Anyways, let's go. heading out. I am done with the beach. There's a man approaching. Going on convertible mode because it's sunset time. Yay! I love listening to music while I'm driving with the top off. It's like I'm in a movie. So come live this experience with me, right? I'm going to take a shower first, and then I'm going to study with you guys and have a chill time. And I'm also going to eat. Okay, that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to eat because I am hungry. To study right there, right in there. Okay, so the homework is a take-home exam. Although it's a very interesting class, it's art history. I think it's time I say goodbye because the exam is pretty long. Well, it's not long. I just have to do a lot of research and I'm pretty tired. Hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. I think it was pretty relaxing, pretty calming. It's pretty short as well. And those are a bunch of pretties. Anyway, like, follow, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram, KimberlyC.E. TikTok is the same thing, KimberlyC.E. 32K on TikTok. And 3,000 on Instagram. Make that number higher, please. Although I enjoy every single one of you that follow me, hope you stick around and support everything I do. The lighting changed again. It's this light bulb. So yeah, bye. Bye, gracias a Dios.